friends, it's time for STEM. That's right, it's time for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So come with me, Miss Sarah, as we explore new ideas and learn new things. I got the idea for today's STEM activity when I was thinking about community helpers in the medical field. Everyone that works at hospitals and doctors' offices has one major thing in common in how they are able to do their jobs: their hands. From performing surgery to keeping the rooms we are in safe and clean, hands are used to help make that happen. So what I wanted to learn was what makes human hands so amazing. As far back as we see, humans have been using their hands to make tools. We made tools to help protect us from danger and help us hunt and gather food. But that was just the beginning. Hands also help us to communicate or share ideas. From drawings and writings to the sign language we see used today, people have used their hands to help each other create meaning of the world we live in. We use our hands to build, create, eat, and so much more. So what's our STEM activity today? We're going to make a robotic hand. The materials we need are a piece of thick paper, 4 to 6 straws, 1 big straw, tape, scissors, and string. The first thing we need to do is trace our hand on a piece of paper. Now we want to mark the spots on the paper where our fingers can bend and fold the paper at those spots. Then we can cut out the hand. After we do that, we can cut our straws into pieces. You'll need 5 pieces that are about 1/4 inch, 5 that are about 1/2 inch, 5 that are about 1 inch, and 5 that are 2 inches. When you are done with that, cut 5 pieces of string, about 2 feet long. After that, tape on the pieces of straw in each folded spot. I had to cut mine a bit to fit right. The size of the straw will change with the size of your hand. After they're all taped in place, I strung on pieces of string through each of the fingers. Then I put the strings in one big reusable straw. So how do hands work? Our brain sends signals through our nerves, like the strings, and tells our fingers to move. Then our muscles move our fingers, just like the string's going to move them. Now you've made your robot hand, you can move it around and play with it. My kids and I had so much fun playing with this. What do we learn today? We learned that hands help us build, create, and communicate. We also learned that our brain sends signals through our nerves to our hands to use our muscles to move our fingers. We learned super duper vocabulary: communicate, to share or exchange information, news, or ideas. Let's break that up. Communicate. You can try to use that in a sentence. Instead of telling someone that you'd like to talk to them, tell them you'd like to communicate with them. Thanks for joining me today, and see you next time on STEM with Miss Sarah.